All right, in this project we're going to build a random image feed where we come to the page and it's just going to get a bunch of random images for us. And we'll be able to, in the JavaScript, put in the number of rows we want. Here I have 5 rows of images, 3 in each column, or 3 columns in each row, I should say. And we're not using any kind of API or anything. What we're going to do is get the images from this URL, source.unsplash.com/random, and then you can put slash and then a size like 300 by 300. Okay, if I put, let's say, 300 by 301, that's going to give me a different image. And what we'll do is have that size will generate a random size and then insert those images into the DOM using JavaScript. So no API, no fetch requests or anything like that. We're just going to insert random images into the DOM. So this will be a very short project. We can probably get it done in like a 10-minute video. All right, so let's get started.